Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to register Netflix application in computer. So how to register Netflix application in computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Netflix application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of the newly installed Netflix. To register, in the email section, enter the new email that will be registered. Next, tap Get Started. Well, then it appears like this. Tap Next. Next, here you will be asked to add a password. Create your password, type it here. Check the section, Please don't email Netflix special others. And then tap Next. Now here there are several choices of subscription prices and various features. Choose one. Next, here you will be asked to pay via the app. Here there are several choices, such as credit or dashed cash, e-wallet, and cash code. So that's it, tutorial how to register Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.